Dad, he's got a dog. Or was he like a poodle or something? He's like a cross between husky and chihuahua. Maybe. It's not. It's my son. That'd be a nice souvenir for your first day. Hey. Hey, I'll take my tunes back.
I'm sorry, what?
I said I'll take my tunes back.
Oh, Jesus. Oh. Sorry about that, man. Sorry about that. It's just a piece of junk anyway.
See the dog?
It's kind of cute. You sure about that?